Chill a tin of coconut milk in the fridge for 8 hours. When it's ready, open the tin and scoop out the cream left on top into a blender. Then add 1 teaspoon of real vanilla extract. Measure out 75 grams of cashew nuts, or half a cup, then add to the blender, along with 3 tablespoons of your favorite honey and a pinch of salt. Add a little bit more coconut milk. You won't have to do this if you're using a food processor. Blend the mixture till smooth. Finally, add the blended mixture to a bowl or container of your choice, cover up, and freeze for 4 hours. This is the ice cream, tasty and healthy on its own. You can scoop this into a bowl or into a cone. However, we're going to get creative and make our own caramel layered chocolate coated ice cream cubes. Pour the mixture into several ice cube molds. Make sure you're using a flexible mold, as this will help us in the long run. Let's make homemade tahini. Add half a cup of sesame seeds to a medium to low heat dry pan. Stir frequently. Once toasted, add the sesame seeds to a blender or preferably a food processor. Incrementally add grapeseed oil until the mixture has become a smooth, runny paste. Add half a cup of tahini to a bowl along with 2 tablespoons of honey and a pinch of salt. Stir together until the mixture becomes firm. Layer each cube with our vegan caramel and stick a toothpick in the center of each cube. Put it back in the freezer for 1 hour. Just as it's ready, roughly chop 200 grams of dark chocolate. Melt the chocolate in a double boiler to prevent it from burning. Feel free to use whichever flavored chocolate you want. In the meantime, chop a handful of cashew nuts. Once the mixture is melted, add it to a smaller container that has a bit more height, then grab your ice cream from the freezer. Remove a cube from a mold. In fact, this will taste delicious on its own. Sink into our melted chocolate, then spin slowly while pulling it out and let it set by holding it upside down. Do this for another one, but this time sprinkle cashew nuts on top. Have fun with this, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.